There's a secret world inside things we see every day. Slicing them in half allows us to examine the inside in a way we'd never normally get to see. My name is Mike Warren, and I use an industrial waterjet to cut everyday objects in half. The waterjet is a cutting machine that uses a thin stream of water and a fine sand medium to cut absolutely anything. I use the machine to cut open everyday household items to explore what's going on inside. We're able to see the engineering and design that went into them and how and why they work. Even when you think you know how something works, I'm always surprised about what I find inside. I guarantee you'll learn something new from this book. Once I cut my first thing in half, I was excited to see all the intricate details inside and thought, what else could I cut in half? This book is for anybody who's curious about how things work, or if you're not brave enough to slice open your own toaster.